I have sat next to more people than I can count who have told me their printer is broken. Their printer was not broken. They were printing to a printer that they hadn't owned in 3 years. Nobody told them to check that, so they didn't. That's not on them. That's on everybody who skipped this step. But I'm not skipping it today. I'm Tracy Patterson. I've been doing this for over 30 years. You don't have to. Welcome to the Confident Click. Here's something that most people don't know. Your computer remembers every printer that it has ever met. Every single one. That printer from your old office, still in there. The printer that your nephew connected to 2 years ago just to see if it would still work, still in there. The printer you replaced last spring, still in there. So when you hit print, your computer has to pick one, and it doesn't always pick the one that you're thinking of. This is the most common reason people can't print. Not that the printer is broken, not that there's a bad connection. Your computer's just pointed at the wrong one. Let me show you where to look. When you go to print something, that is where you're going to check which printer you're going to before you print. I have a document open in Word. I'm going to go to print it, click File, click Print. And before I go to print, look for a section that says Printer. Most of the time, you'll see a little arrow, a drop down arrow, which if you click it will show you all the choices of printers that you have that are installed on your computer. Some of these you will often see by default, like OneNote or Microsoft XPS if you're on a Windows computer. We're not worried about those. Don't worry about those. I see here that I've got three actual printers installed: an HP OfficeJet, ET, that's an Epson, and a Ricoh. For me, that's because I use the Ricoh when I'm in the office, but I am not in the office right now. I use an OfficeJet at home, and this Epson, this is an old printer that I had used, but that has gone to the wayside, into the printer graveyard, and I actually need to take it off the list. Either way, I just need to make sure that I have clicked on the printer that I want to use right now. After you do that, you can change whatever settings you want and click print. I am in Google Chrome and I am going to print a Google Doc that I created. On the menu, I'm going to click File and I'm going to scroll down till I find print and click print. Here, the printers are listed under this label of destination, but there's still a drop down arrow that I'm going to click to see what printers I have available to me on this computer or from this computer. I can't see all of them. The see more lets me know that there are more printers that I can look at or that there are more printers attached to this computer. I'm going to click see more and see all of the different printers I have available to me. And these are the same ones that we saw in the other application. These are all the printers that are connected to this computer. And I will click on the printer that I want to use. And now that printer is showing up in the destination. And then click print. I have a completely different document open, a PDF. Same thing. As long as I can find where to print, and I'm going to click this print button here to get to print, there will be some place that will let me change printers or look at the printers that I have installed. Here we have the label printer, and here we have a drop down arrow. Let's click it. Here are the different printers that I have available on this computer. They're the same that we saw in the other applications. I will click on the printer that I want to use, and that printer is selected. Then I click print. See, you didn't need a new printer and you didn't need to call anyone. You just needed someone to walk you through what to actually look at. If this helped you, hit subscribe. Every week, I'm here with the practical stuff that should have been explained a long time ago. And if you're an organization, a nonprofit, a community center, a workforce program that wants to bring this kind of training to your people, the link is in the description. You can't break it. You got this.